Your thread has snapped and you've run out of thread, so you need to change the thread in the machine. This short video will guide you through the steps. To change the thread is straightforward. Each path is numbered on the machine to make it easier to know where to go. I'm using pink thread to make it easier to visualize. Place the thread in the spindle. Put the cap on so it doesn't fall out, and guide the thread through the machine as directed by the numbers. Note that the arm has to be visible at step 4. This particular machine, the Janome 780TC, has an automatic thread feeder. The thread goes under the plastic hook and behind a little notch. We try the arm and the thread will go through the eye of the noodle. Now, I'm using the tweezers to pull the thread through. Once the thread is through the needle, make sure there's an adequate length of thread trailing behind. Grab some fabric or paper and test that the thread is working as expected. If you've enjoyed these brief tips, then have a look at the playlist